Okay, so I'm going to be explaining how to administer a grip strength test and a pinch strength test. So first I'll explain a grip strength test. So you have the client use a dynamometer and their elbow will be tucked in by their side, their forearm is going to be out like this, and their arm is going to be at a 90-degree angle. And they're going to grab the dynamometer, make sure you have it set to 0, and they're going to squeeze it. They're not going to use any other joints, just their grip strength on this. So make sure they're not compensating in any other areas. And you read the inside number that the red line goes to on the dynamometer. And then after you read that number, you document it. And then you reset by turning the knob in the middle back to 0. You're going to do this 3 times and then get the average number for their grip strength and calculate it, and then that gives you your total. So then with the pinch gauge test, we have 3 different types of pinches that we're going to be testing. So first we're going to be testing tip to tip, then we're going to be testing lateral pinch as well as the 3-jaw chuck. So same thing applies for this. For the first one, you make sure it's set at 0. So you place the pinch gauge in their hand and they're going to start with the tip to tip. You record the first number, document it, reset it back to 0, and then do this 3 times. And for each different type of pinch, you're also going to record it 3 times and then average out the number, and that's your total. After you get the averages for those, you will have a list of norms to compare it to so that you can tell if the client has any deficits in any of these areas.